ITF Juniors Grade 4 tournament has been being conducted by TSTA, and we have been doing this for last 4 years. And initially it started by, it is in memory of Raja Narasimha Rao. His friends had started the one tournament. I am his son and I have been invited there to inaugurate the tournament. There I had promised them that every year I will take care and conduct on his name. So that's how we've been conducting every year. This is the 4th year which the tournament is on. Last year we could not conduct this tournament because of pandemic situation, and we could not conduct the event, and hardly anyone was outdoor to play tennis. And we are thankful to Secunderabad Club and the management, president and the managing committee for having given us this venue for conducting this tournament, and all the facilities provided are too good for our status. And I think all the participants and the parents, people who have come here, have been enjoying, and they said it's very nice, except for now and then we do have the showers. And we have got international standard COVID precautions being given by the ITF, and which we are following. And all the players have to be tested before coming and giving the entry and show their certificates. And also the parents who are accompanying should be vaccinated, or they should also have the certificate along with them. And here also we do check what's happening and random, and check whether everything is going on, and in case, and most of the parents are very comfortable because they are all staying, and we had to change the venue at the last moment. We have, this is mostly the ITF where we have got participation after a long time, and last year being a more or less year which was hardly participated by anyone to improve the game. But however, they have started playing now, and we started to commence these tournaments in Hyderabad and Telangana, and now we see that Telangana could prosper, and we have got simultaneously 3 tournaments happening in Hyderabad at the moment: under 12, under 14 and under 18. 3 events are happening simultaneously in Hyderabad. That's a good achievement for tennis lovers and the players to improve. And the tennis, we do have foreign entries, that is very few from Nepal, and due to travel restrictions we have only very few entries which have come out, and most of them are holding foreign passports but they're Indian citizens. And most of the entries what we have is about 120 entries, out of which we have about 30 people from Telangana who are taking part of it. And tennis in Hyderabad has been picking up very well, and I would say we have about more than 250 coaching centers, 350 to 400 tennis coaches. They're conducting coaching for tennis. Tennis is such a popular game that good old days it used to be only for quite a rich, but now even we have other sorts of players who've been supported, sponsors, and these days it is very tough to get sponsors to take care of it. But however, we are trying to survive because our association does not have doors. But yesterday our chairman of SAT had given permission to TSTA and Vishnuvardhan to conduct coaching camp, and allotted 2 tennis courts at Lal Bahadur Stadium.
Hello, I am Chirag Duggal. I am from Haryana. I am 17 years old and I am playing ITF tournament like grade 4 in Secunderabad. And the arrangements are very good, like because COVID is going on, precautions are very good. We are having sanitizers, and every time they are having declaration form, we are checking temperature, and then they are allowing us to play match. So I am very happy. But, we are lucky to have tournaments like this now, because we are not getting any tournaments for so long. But we are having now grade 4 in our home country, so it's very good. I am very excited about it.
My name is Nishan Shrestha. I am from Nepal. I am coming here to play grade 4 tournament in Hyderabad. It is being very excited after a long time gap during lockdown. I feel very excited to play in this tournament, and I congratulate every players. I respect every players who are playing in this tournament. Thank you.
I am Ritin Pranav and I am under 14 India #1. I came here to play J4 in Secunderabad and I am feeling very excited because it's a rare tournament.
I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm here to play the J4 ITF tournament held at Secunderabad in Secunderabad club. The tournament condition is very good. They are following all the precautions of COVID-19, and second day in a main draw tournament. I'm very excited to continue this tournament, and I wish all my opponents and fellow players good luck.